We have over 30 programs each week. We are very fortunate to have partnered with ServiceSource. They have just been amazing. And the programs are geared toward people that would normally come to our senior centers, which are active adults in Fairfax County. We offer everything from exercise classes. We have chair exercise and sail classes, and we also have some really fun Zumba classes. We also offer art classes, game classes, and just about anything else you can imagine that would normally be in a senior center. It's no surprise really that our exercise classes are the most popular ones, but we offer a very big variety of other programs as well, such as card making classes, animal care, art classes, and music programs. We also have some very popular language classes as well. We are so fortunate to have such a talented group of people teaching these classes right now, and certainly there is something for everybody. Now, everybody knows you can get online fitness classes through YouTube, but our benefit is that they are familiar with the instructor, so they get to see a friendly face on there, and they get to interact and also see their friends online.
I happen to be a high energy person, so I love what I do and always hope that that comes across. But there are adjustments that you have to make when there's no energy directly coming back to you and you can't feel and see the other people who are participating in the class. I think that a way that you make up for that is to have even more energy and make sure that the music is really resonating for you and for other people, and you have to find a way to let how you feel about what you're doing come across so that people will love it. So I think it's just a matter of being even more devoted to making people have a fun, energizing class.
For more information about our program and the class schedule, please visit our webpage.